Hi writers, welcome back. Today for Writers Workshop, it's a teaching day, so I'm going to talk to you about what good writers do for their All About Books, another thing you can think about, and then tomorrow when it's time to write, maybe you want to do this in your books. The thing I want to talk to you about today is to push yourself to write another sentence on your page. I've noticed a lot of you have done some wonderful writing and put a sentence on each page to tell about that topic on the page, and that's fantastic. So I want to invite you today to think about, what could I say more about this topic on this page? If you look at my page about my yoga book, my All About Yoga book, you can see that I'm showing you the page that talks about equipment. So I wrote on that page, you will need this for yoga. And then I drew a picture and I labeled my picture of all the different things that you will need for yoga. What more could I say on this page? I already said you'll need these things, and there's the things in the picture. But if I push myself, I could think about the size, shape, or color of the things on this page. And then I could tell about that. So I'm going to think about that. I'm going to think, maybe I could tell about the shape. Yes, the shape of the mat for yoga. That's important. So you need to have a shape that's long like your body, like a rectangle. So I think I'm going to write that in my next sentence. So I have, you will need this for yoga. And then I'm going to say, the mat needs to be a rectangle shape to fit your body. That will add more detail to that topic about what you need. Do you see how I did that, writers? I looked back at my page and thought, how can I push myself to add one more sentence, to add a little bit more about that topic on that page? And I used size, shape, or color to help me think of an idea. I bet you could do that too. So writers, when it's time for you to write tomorrow, try this out and push yourself to add another sentence to your page. All right, see you later, writers.